Asslamualikum. Today we are making Hareesa. This is Ramzan special dish. Let's start the recipe. You will add 1 liter of water and half kg of mutton, and here you can see it is boiled nicely. Like this. So now you're going to add salt according to your taste. Now let it boil. After boiling, you can see its texture, how thick it is. Like this. It became too thick. So now we will remove all the sabut masala and meat or mutton from it. Here is the meat. So now you will remove and shred it and add it again. So mix it, and now you're going to use a hand blender and follow the step as it's showing. We're going to melt the butter. It is according to you. If you want to use butter, you can use, or else you can also use olive oil for that. So now I'm also using black pepper. Now mix. So now add the melted butter or olive oil. Serve it to your family, friends, guests, anyone. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.